In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up State Farm, drive safe, and save. So in order to do that, all you have to do is to follow these instructions step by step. So without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. The first thing you need to do is to make sure you have State Farm app downloaded by texting save to 42407 for a link to download. After that, just log into the app using State Farm user ID and password of your driver's license information. In certain states, you may be required to take some steps in the app to finish your enrollment. And after that, when the envelope with your beacons arrive, take it to the car and follow the easy setup steps in the app while not driving, of course. This will include connecting your beacons to the app and providing odometer readings. So if you need any help along the way, just head to the official website and try to find it yourself.